In this video, we're going to show you to install the taillights on your Honda Ridgeline located on the rear of the vehicle. The process for the driver's side is the same for the passenger side. Note the tailgate dropped. You're going to go ahead and locate the two 10mm bolts right here. I'm just going to use our socket on our impact gun, loosen and remove these two bolts. You will be reusing these bolts, so don't lose them. Now, in order to remove the taillight from the bed itself, there are two metal posts, and they usually pop into a plastic insert or a rubber insert in the bed. So you can grab that taillight and normally kind of wiggle this out. If not, you can try a plastic trim tool to get in here. Pop that out. On the inside, you're going to have multiple sockets. You're going to rotate these all counterclockwise, twist and pop. Now, if you have to replace any bulbs, now's the time to go ahead and do so. Now, if all your bulbs are working and you just find that they're kind of dirty, go ahead and use a towel. Make sure there's no oils or anything like that on there. Same thing, you can see I'm wearing gloves. You don't want to touch these with your bare hands, as it can shorten the life of the bulbs themselves. On the back of the taillight, most of the time they're going to come shipped with little covers over the bulb ports. Simply pull those off, set those aside, or discard of those. Then we install our bulbs. Now, these bulb sockets are keyed. There's certain size notches that will line up. Once they line up, go ahead and twist clockwise and snap those into place. Once those are all secured, go ahead and line up the two metal posts with the plastic grommets. And then gently push inward. Once that's inserted, you can see that it's nice and tight up against the body line, we can go ahead and install our 10mm bolts. Once we have that bolt started, we're going to go ahead and install the lower one. And when tightening these down, you just want to make sure that they're snug. You don't want to over tighten them, as you can break those very easily. They're just plastic tabs. And once they're snug, you're all set. You can go ahead and repeat this process for the passenger side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.